Good day, everyone. Before we begin, let us introduce ourselves. I am Maria Angela Matubis, and together with my groupmates,
Mark Angelo Macaw.
Marinjoy Entres, Maika Romaraog,
Nico Papa.
and we are here to present WordCounter.net, a simple yet powerful online tool designed to help users count words, characters, and improve their writing. Word counter is widely used by students, writers, professionals, and content creators to ensure that their text meets word or character limits while maintaining quality. But word counter is more than just a word counter. It is also offer grammar checking, keyword density analysis, and other writing tools, making it a complete writing companion. As part of this presentation, we will also show you the mock-up design of word counter to give a visual idea of how the site looks and works. Later, we will explain the user flow or how users can smoothly navigate the site, and will end with a short conclusion summarizing its importance and benefits. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Let's move on to the mock-up design or word counter. As shown in our diagram, the first page in the sign page where user can log into their accounts. Signing in is important because it allows user to save their progress, access previous works, and unlock extra features such as auto-saving for their content. Once signed in, users are directed to the homepage, which serves as the main workspace. Here, user can type or paste their content as they write. The system will automatically count words, characters, sentences, and even estimate reading and speaking time, which makes this user to monitor their writing as they go. Another useful feature is the blog page, where users can read articles about writing tips, grammar guides, and other educational content. For example, one blog post discusses whether single words can be trademarked, which shows word counter dedication to educating and informing the user beyond the counting words. This mock-up design highlights how word counters provide simple, organized, and helpful environment for anyone working with text.
Moving on, we have the More Writing Tools page where user can access extra tools such as grammar checks, proofreading, title case converter, and more. These tools are meant to assist user with formatting and improving the quality of their content. Then, there's the Help Us page, which encourages users to bookmark word counter so they can return easily whenever they need the tool. It is also provide ways to support the site and contribute to its ongoing development. Finally, we have the Options button page where users can customize their experience. Here, they can enable or disable features such as autosave, which automatically save their work every 30 seconds. Case converters to switch text between uppercase and lowercase. Activity tracking, which monitors word counts and other useful buttons like clear and download. Altogether, this map-up design provides a visual understanding of word count structure and features, helping us know what to expect when navigating the site.
So now, let's proceed to the user flow, which explains how users move through. So, break. The word counter site. The word counter site. The first step is to sign in, where users log into their accounts to access the full functionality of word counter. After signing in, users land on the home page, which serves as the main workspace. Here, they can start typing or pasting content, and real-time counters immediately update to show word count, character count, sentence count, and more. As users continue writing, they interact with text input out page where they can see instant statistics and grammar suggestions to improve their text at any point. They can also use convenience. Next, users can visit the option buttons page to customize their experience. For example, they might turn on autosave to avoid losing progress or enable case converters for adjusting the formatting of their text. If user needs additional functionalities, they can head over to more and under more there is this more writing tools functions where they'll find tools like grammar checker, title case converters, and proofreading options to help refine their work. For users seeking to enhance their writing skills, they can also explore the blog section which contains helpful articles and type on writing, grammar, and even legal topics like trademarks. Finally, under more tools to help us, users are invited to bookmark the site for easy future access and can learn about how they can support the platform. This user flow ensures a smooth and logical navigation, making word counter accessible and efficient for all types of users.
And now, I will provide the conclusion to summarize everything we've discussed. To conclude, WordCounter.net is an essential and user-friendly writing tool that combines simplicity with powerful features. From basic word and character counting to advanced grammar checking and keyword analysis. Word Counter help users write better, faster, and more effectively. Its clean and organized design, customizable options, and additional writing tools make it perfect for students, professionals, content creators, and anyone who works with text. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this presentation helped you better understand the flow and design of word counter. Thanks for watching.